Hello everyone, today we are unboxing some outdoor gear that I grabbed from Temu. First up, a compact shovel that you can toss in your car trunk or in backpack. It barely takes up any space. Now imagine you are off-roading, your tires dig into some soft sand or mud. You pull out this and start digging. Not bad for something that folds smaller than a lunchbox. Also, it can be great for gardening. Next, the solar panel LED lamp. This is my favorite so far. No batteries, no cables, just sunlight. Perfect for camping, late night barbecues, or when you need a backup light at home. Look at that glow. Not bad at all. You can hang it in your tent or keep it in the car for emergencies. Definitely worth it. And finally, the Multi-Practic Tool. The one I order is geared more towards electricians. It got wire cutters, a small screwdriver set, pliers, etc. Feels solid in the hands, fold up nicely, and Temu actually offers different versions for camping, fishing, or general outdoor repairs. For campers, I'd suggest the one with knife blades, saws, and bottle openers. But even this electrician's version is super handy, especially if your gear needs quick fixes. So that's our Temu outdoor gear haul. If you tried any Temu gadgets, drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you out there under the stars.